influenced global health diplomacy and international relations as decisively as COVID-19. This has spurred world faith that if we need to re-emerge from the ashes of lockdowns, we need to apply moral prescriptions of public health and regional cooperations to build a future that includes all. The craft of global health diplomacy must inform the international world order. A balance of power and furtherance of ideals should not depend on nuclear determinants of countries or military alliances, but rather on collective global health security and public health in all policies. The world at large faces cascading risks that requires new algorithms to address them. The risk faced from extreme weather events, natural disaster, climate change, migration, refugee crisis and overall public health consequences are far too serious to handle and even greater threat to humanity than economic and strategic cooperation. Need for health attaches is an embassies around the world foreign ministers must embrace global health as a challenge, as a necessary ingredient to shape their production and civil interest. Would network on shared data, work with humanitarian organizations, interface bilateral diplomatic programs in the development sector, open further windows of assistance among two or more nations and further international global health cooperation. For too long, countries have been trying to establish honorary consuls, but it would be wiser for foreign governments to appoint health attaches to their embassies by identifying local talent. Today, our world appears torn between obsessive security and prioritizing zeal between requirements in trade and defense against the temptations of global public health in the quest for new world order. With artificial intelligence penetrating health innovation and diseases assuming transboundary nature, visionary government offices and external affairs ministry must urgently set up diplomatic protocols facing the health attacks. Now, diplomatic training as the perspective of health attaches will be built on evidence-based public health, thereby leading to risk-informed solution that benefits governments and regional neighbors. Managing change, furthering scientific diplomacy, healthcare remains a cornerstone to human survival and progress. This pandemic is a reason for optimism and innovation provided we are humble enough to listen and learn. Positioning health attaches present an opportunity for wise nations to be grateful, to be faithful under all circumstances, to create generous bilateral cooperation and help public health science around the world leapfrog and to promote even interest in the long term as a unified world order. This would also, in a way, help negotiate legitimacy in pharmaceuticals, support translational and interdisciplinary science, promote medical and health tourism, build intersectoral coordination among non-government sectors, and also foster world-class diplomacy that can be strategic interest in a shared future.